In this video, I will be comparing Moomoo and Questrade, two strong choices for investing in Canada. One brings powerful trading tools and insights, while the other offers proven flexibility and investment support. By the end of this video, you will know which one aligns with your investment style. So first, let's go over what exactly they do. Moomoo is tailored for active data-driven traders. It offers free level 2 US data, advanced technical indicators, screeners, and AI analysis, all in a modern mobile-friendly interface. It supports trading US and Canadian stocks, ETFs, and options with no minimum deposit. Questrade, Canada's largest discount broker founded in 1999, serves both hands-on traders and investing-focused users. In addition to self-directed trading, it offers robo-advisor services, access to mutual funds, bonds, GICs, IPOs, and many registered account types, TFSA, RRSP, RESP, LIRA, and corporate accounts. Now go over the fees, commissions, and costs. Moomoo offers very competitive fees. US stocks and ETFs have pretty much no commissions. For US options, it's 0.65 Canadian dollars per contract with a minimum of 1 Canadian dollar per order. There are no account minimum or base commissions. Questrade also offers commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, although options cost around 1 Canadian dollar per contract or 0.75 Canadian dollars under frequent trader pricing. Now the tools and platform quality. Moomoo shines with advanced trading features such as free level 2 data, deep charting with over 100 technical indicators, heat maps, screeners, education courses, and even a community feed. It's highly rated for its mobile app experience. Questrade offers a robust suite of research, including analyst reports, charting tools, and a desktop and web platform that is customizable and beloved by active traders. It also provides robo-advising and supports a broader range of asset types. Now over the usability and access. Moomoo has an instant account opening, a highly rated mobile user experience, and live support. Deposit methods are limited to bank transfers and withdrawal fees can apply after the first free transaction. Questrade requires a minimum deposit of 1,000 Canadian dollars, but it supports credit and debit, bank, PayPal, and e-wallet deposits. Users praise platform depth, though customer support reviews are mixed. So, which one should you pick? First, I would say the best one overall is Moomoo. If you're after low-cost trades, deep analytics, fast execution, and trade tools, Moomoo offers superior value, especially for active traders who care about data and insights. But I would still go with Questrade if you want investment flexibility like the robo-advisor portfolios, mutual funds, or commentary from Morningstar. If you need more account types such as RESP, corporate, etc., or if you prefer more deposit options, and if you appreciate a long-standing regulated platform with comprehensive asset support, I would also go with Questrade. Now Moomoo is also well regulated, but it hasn't been around for as long as Questrade. So overall, Moomoo is best for advanced tech-savvy traders who want low-cost access, powerful tools, and fast onboarding. And Questrade is best for investors seeking a wider range of assets, account types, and the option of both self-directed and robo-advisory investing. So that concludes this comparison of Moomoo versus Questrade. If this comparison helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.